Hey guys, Dead Space. Someone from NGGN got me this. Jared, also known as One Man Gaming Crew. And I had no idea what I was going to do with it until now. Actually, well, I say until now. I still have no idea if this is going to be on a shipment Saturday or just going to be on my channel in general. I'm just going to record it. No game. Video. Let's go. It's most people who told I told that I have this game just told me that to forget about it and just put it in a dark corner and forgot it existed. But I would probably be a dick if I did that. So yeah. Loading screen. Oh shit. Cutscene. Isaac Clarke, engineering. 3 minutes. I don't know how to read.
Isaac, it's me.
Hi.
I wish I could talk to you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry about everything. I wish I could just talk to someone. It's all falling apart here. I can't believe what's happening.
Hello, pretty lady.
It's strange.
You're
It's a
strange.
little thing.
Yeah. Why are you calling my PP little? That's not nice.
How many times you watched that thing? Guess you really miss her. Don't worry, we're almost there. You'll be able to look her up once we're on board. Sounds like you do have a lot of catching up to do.
Is it just me or is this
Alright, everyone, we're here. Sinking our orbit now.
Okay, so it was just really
All
spazzy.
this trouble over that chunk of rock.
Deep space mining is a lucrative business, Ms. Daniels. Aegis-7 is a gold mine according to prospectors' reports.
Yeah.
Cobalt, silicon, osmium.
Yeah.
Now, where is she? There she is. We have visual contact.
Oh, hello, Shep. You're not
So
scary.
that's Ishimura. Impressive.
The USG Ishimura. Biggest planet cracker in its class.
USG.
And it looks like they already popped the cork.
Why is it all dark? I don't see any running lights.
Corporal, take us in closer and hail them.
Watch
And
out
stay
for
clear
that
of
rock.
debris field. We're here to fix their ship.
Watch out for the rock.
Way around.
USG Ishimura, this is the emergency maintenance team of the USG Kellyan responding to your distress call. Come in, Ishimura.
Ishimura?
You're gonna need to boost the signal if it power's low.
Yes, we know. Boost the signal. More.
You're a pompous dick. I want
Never heard of a total communications blackout on one of these things. You'd think with 1,000 people on board, someone would pick up the phone.
Well, that would probably because phones don't walk in space, lady.
What is that?
It's a busted array like we thought. Sounds like they're having problems with their encoder. You get us down there and Isaac and I can fix it. 48 hours max.
Oh, I don't like
You
doing
have the lady.
things.
Take us in. Let's see what needs fixing.
Let's fix
Gravity
things.
tethers engaged. Automatic docking procedures a go.
Oh god. Oh god.
What the hell?
Sir, the auto dock.
What is it?
We're off track. We're gonna hit the hull.
Hit the blast shields. Their guidance tether's damaged. Switch to manual. Now.
Inside the magnetic field? Are you insane? Abort!
No! We can make it inside. Corporal, gave you an order.
You smell like turtles.
Too strong.
You suck. I always wanted my last words to be you guys suck. I'm alive. Aww.
Okay?
I mean, that's a good
What were
thing.
you thinking? Were you trying to get us killed?
I just saved our asses, Ms. Daniels. If we
Hello.
had reported at that speed and distance, we'd have smashed right into the side of the Ishimura. Now settle down. Let's get to work. Corporal, report.
I'm not getting any readings from the port booster,
Oh.
and we've lost comms and autopilot.
Helmet.
It'll take some time to fix.
All right. Let's get some extra hands from flight deck to help out.
What are you gonna tell me, lady?
Hold still, Isaac. I'm syncing up everyone's rig with the ship. Okay, we're done. Clean bill of health for everyone.
Yay.
All right. We've still got a job to do. We're moving out.
Look at this stash. Oh my god. I inhaled it. Oh my god. Oh, look at me. I look like I'm some sort of Bioshock guy. Objective edited. How do I dead space? Run! Look. Walk. Let's go this way. Look at me.
You didn't lose power to the port booster. You lost the port booster. Unbelievable.
I don't know what's happening, but I'm gonna come over here and see what happens. Nope. What's happening? I don't. I hit a stash. Better stash.
Guess the power's down everywhere. Isaac, get over here and hack the door pad.
I'm hacking door pad. Oh, is it here? Oh, the actual door pad thing. Hold on, get out of the way. I hacked it with my mind. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. It's all pixely. What's this? Oh, what's that? I don't want any. What's that?
Seems like everyone was trying to pack in a hurry.
There should be a security detail in here.
I don't care.
Yeah?
Well, I kinda
Well,
do.
there's not. There's nobody here. I can't pick up any broadcasts.
No broadcast.
That security console's still live. Isaac, log in and see what you can find. Kendra, get that out of here.
Dead. I can't.
Then reboot the damn power.
I'ma check the panel.
If we all cooperate, we can figure this out a lot sooner. Let's get that computer display up, Isaac.
How do I... How...
Use the locator system to find your next objective.
Boop. Boop. Oh, it's here. What a surprise. J. Activate security console. E. How do I... Oh. There must be something on the screen I didn't
That doesn't
notice.
look good. She's taken a lot of damage.
Yeah, you're right, Pepper Stash.
The tram system's offline. Getting around's gonna be difficult.
Mm-hmm.
The air seems to be flowing again. That's a start.
I like it. Oh, God.
What the hell was that?
Automatic quarantine must have tripped when the filtration system restarted. Everybody relax.
Boop.
What was that? Did you hear that?
Boop.
Not sure.
Boop.
The hell?
I don't know. Something's in the room
What
with
the?
us.
Oh. Hi.
Jesus! Overpower!
You killed Pepper Stash! No! No!
Got it!
Isaac, get the hell out of there!
The door's unlocked! Run!
I don't know what's happening. I'm just gonna run. Okay. I'm okay at this.
Run, Isaac! Get the hell out of there!
I'm okay with this. Well, it looked like I was about to die, but sure. Okay. Are you gonna go? Oh, God! That's not very nice, dude. I mean... That looks sharp. I don't really wanna... I might get tetanus? Bone tetanus, I think? Maybe? Let's go this way. Ooh. I like weapons.
Shoot the limbs of enemies for extra damage.
Shoot off limbs for extra damage.
Use melee to knock back an enemy for a quicker escape.
Okay. Let's stomp on this guy. Stomp. Stomp. Ooh, you have no head. Let's stomp on this one, yeah. I like things. Oh shit, that's a live guy, maybe, probably. I don't know. Do I just shoot this thing? Guess so. You don't have a head, why are you squealing? That's not very smart. Hello? Oh, poor you. Now, I did play Dead Space 2, and it's good playing. I quite enjoyed the Dead Space series. So, and one thing I know about Dead Space is, dead or alive, necromorphs have something inside them, so you just stop them. Unless that changed that in Dead Space 2. Anyway. Oh no, wait, Tavek, did he? I think they're necromorphs.
Select and use health packs to replenish your health bar.
Oh, okay.
Ooh, I see that. I see that. I see it. What's this? Ooh. Oh, dear.
Benson, everybody listen up. They use
Benson.
the vents. That's how they're getting around the ship. Stay away from down. Get back. Get back.
Okay then. Let's go this way. Hello? How may I filtrate Uranus? Oh look, credits. This doesn't look creepy in the slightest.
Isaac! Isaac! God, I can't believe you made it.
Hi. That's not very nice.
Isaac, we ran into more of them on the way over here. Are you okay?
Yep.
More what? What the hell are those things? Is that the crew?
Yep, probably.
Keep your voice down. Whatever they are, they're not friendly. And half the doors on this ship are locked because of the quarantine.
Yep.
Now, we have to get to the bridge. But first, we gotta repair the tram system.
Obviously.
You're crazy, Hammond. You're gonna get us all killed.
Yeah, can't we just leave?
I will get you out of here alive. Now, what's wrong with the tram?
It smells like poop, and I don't want to smell poop.
The data board is fried, but there should be a spare in the maintenance bay. There's also a broken tram blocking the tunnel that needs to be repaired.
Oh.
Damn it! Everything is on the other side of this quarantine. We can't reach it from here.
No, we can't.
But you can, Isaac. Yep.
Isaac,
Yep.
if I can get to the bridge, I should be able to access the personnel files.
You're a dick.
You fix the tram, and I'll help you find Nicole.
Don't make promises you can't keep, asshole.
Use the map screen to check objectives and important locations.
Okay. Stasis, air, bench, save, store. Tab. I thought J was objective. Replace the damaged tram. Oh yeah, I'll just pick up one and just give it another one. What's this? Is this data board? Okay. Let's go this way. What's in there? Credits and health. Do I have an inventory? I do have an inventory. I like inventories. They smell nice. I keep pressing the same button to close it as I do to open it. That's my problem with things. Oh. Oh. I want to touch that thing. Oh, I saw that shadow. Come here, poopy poopy pants. Back off. I wasted a lot of ammo just shooting it in the body. I need to move my mouse and aim. Oh, hi. What's you? What are you? Let's save. Yeah. Sure. Okay. We're done already? Sure. What's this?
This is Benson.
Hi,
Engineering.
Benson.
We think we figured it out. Smith killed one. Listen, forget about shooting him in the body. You gotta cut off the limbs. Grab a cutter, anything like that. Cut them apart.
Whatever you say, Benson. You're a nice guy. Let's go this way. Ooga booga booga. Fuck you. This is you, Benson. I'm sorry, but your insides are made out of
Isaac,
ammo.
be careful. Shooting them in the body didn't seem to work.
Go for the limbs. Dismember them. That should do the job.
Wow, they really enforce that.
By dismembering enemy limbs and doing extra damage.
Dismember enemies to slow them. Cut off limbs to kill quickly. Okay. Whatever you say, buddy. What should there be, like 16 of them in here? Come on, assholes. What the fuck did I just do? Okay.
Looks like that door is malfunctioning, Isaac. Try using the stasis module you just picked up.
Okay, whatever you say, lady. How do you know I just picked that up? I don't see how that makes sense. Oh, look, stasis. Hello? Report all injuries at once. Well, I have this killer back crank. It's like touching me, and I really need to poop, and I'm like, just really badly, just... yes, I do want to save it. Also, it's really cold in my room. I need to turn down the fan. Yeah, I'm gonna do that real quick. You can just look at me, Space. It's so cold. So cold. It's so cold. No, it's not so cold. Let's go smash the box. Oh, look, the power went out. How surprising. Ooh. Sorry I'm spazzing around all the time. It's just... I'm just checking behind me all the time. Because if I played Dead Space 2...
Your stasis module should be able to help you with that arm mechanism.
Oh, really? Oh, really? I don't know what's happening, but I think I have to touch this thing. Hey, buddy. Oh. Did it work? Asshole. Run up here and touch this thing. Yeah.
Replacing damaged tram car. Please stand by.
I am picking it up with my hands and I am fixing it.
Isaac, you did it.
I am
the
the
tram is
best.
blocking the whole system. When you get the computer online, you'll be able to call the tram from the control room. Faster the better. I can hear something crawling around out there.
Oh no. Oh look, a dead thing. I'm a terrible range shot. I just suck at this game. Ooh. I found a power node. Wow, that sounded real sinister, lady. Where am I going? Wait. What was it? It was what I forgot what button. Is it N? N for navigation? J. Find data board. L. No. T. R. E. F. G. H. K. L. No, I just did L. Tab. Z. X. C. B. B. B! Why is it B? B for bus. That's... Hi. Fuck off. There's a good thingy. Whatever you are. Yep, that's the way I gotta go. Let's go that way. Stop it! That way. No. Bad. I don't have much... Ah! I don't have much energy left, says Isaac. Let's go loot some then, you dumbass. Oh, credits. I like money. I like money! Hello?
Isaac, I've patched into the deck security system.
Okay.
It took some work, but I've got the door to the maintenance bay unlocked. The data board should be somewhere inside.
And you have total faith in that fact. Let me guess. Oh, no, it's not that way. Well, fuck it then. This way! Oh. Oh. Hello? Well, let's save while we're here. Let's save. Accept. Oh, I saved at the bottom.